We're never gonna finish this remodel.
We're so screwed.
What's up, buddy?
What is up, my dude?
Got a list of a couple possibles next project.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We definitely need more houses, but I got a little gift for you to start off 2021.
A present for me?
Yeah.
What you got?
I just bought a brand new house, and it's over in Harker Heights. 4 bedrooms.
Harker.
Yeah, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I scored it for 160, but it looks like I think we can drop about 20 grand into it because we've got one right behind it that sold for 217.
Yeah, really.
We got 200, 205. So I think if we actually do one of our remodels, that we can get about 220 for it.
Yeah, I like
And
228. Yeah, I definitely think we could do that.
You want to head over there?
Yeah, show me.
Okay, let's go take a look real
Let's
quick.
go check it out.
Here she is. Not gonna lie, kind of feel like a Superman, maybe one of those old Batman movies. No.
Dude, what are we doing here?
I scored this house and we've got 2 options. Either we slather on some new paint and sell it as is, or
what?
we remodel the whole thing.
I mean, we could probably do some things to kind of brighten up this room, but the floor is great. Maybe
Yeah.
some things to the fireplace.
Floor's perfect. I think, let's check out the fireplace.
Let's do. We're gonna do this. I want the fireplace. I'm calling dibs. I got some ideas maybe to brighten up this room.
Like what?
Definitely maybe whitewash the brick on the fireplace, change up the mantle.
Okay. So what do you think, about $1,000?
I think $1,000, yeah.
Okay. Well, then I'm calling dibs on the kitchen. Let's check that out.
Let's do.
Okay. So
What you thinking on this kitchen, buddy?
this is gonna be me, and
All you.
we're gonna be changing up all the walls. You got the fireplace. I'm gonna get all the 1980s and 70s. This is one piece, dude.
Oh, we gotta get it out of here. I don't care.
Yeah. But all the gold has got to go. The gold walls, mustard, whatever it is. All the appliances out, countertops. And I was thinking about maybe scuffing this up and
Okay.
repainting it because I just want to get rid of this. Maybe even adding a little bit more to it. But I think we really need to just add some life and some color to this house because it's just so...
Definitely. And those chair rails gotta go as well.
Yeah, let's get rid of all the chair rails. The only other place that I'm thinking that we can do anything in here is the master. We can both kind of tackle that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's check that out, and
I wanna
then
see it.
we're
Show
good
me.
to go. Let's check out the old master bathroom.
Yeah, cool. Hey, bro, have you seen this?
Seen what?
Top of these floors.
Oh no, dude! The washer and dryer were there whenever we inspected it.
That's gonna take a little bit of the budget, huh?
Yeah, we got to replace all that.
Yeah.
That's why you don't put wood in the laundry room.
Well, maybe we'll do. Why don't we do that mantle by ourselves? Customize it, save us a little cash, and we can use that towards this.
Yeah.
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 Cool.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
All right.
All right. Let's check out the bathroom.
Let's do.
After you, fine sir.
Well, thank you.
Okay. So
A nice bathroom.
it's actually a decent sized bathroom, and that's what I like about it. My only problem is you've got gold and chrome throughout.
Outdated.
Yeah,
There's
gotta
gold
get rid of
everywhere
it.
in this house.
And I hope there's not an electrical problem because,
Really?
yeah,
I tell you the lighting with the
it
fan.
starts on this one too. Yeah. So we're gonna have to get rid of that.
Yeah, let's come down.
And I'm thinking we just replace all the lights in here.
Yeah.
What is your thoughts of a solid glass door? Get rid of the gold.
Yeah, the gold's
Okay.
gotta go. Solid glass will be a whole lot cleaner,
So-
more modern.
New fixtures, lights, and a new glass. And if we do that, I think we can get away with not replacing the top.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm budgeting for about $2,000 between the glass and everything in here. If we have to replace the tile, it's another $2,000. So hopefully we can save, not have to spend that for.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
All right, man. Let's go work up the numbers and see what we got.
Just rub it out. All right. Josh brought me this property, and I'm actually pretty surprised. It actually looks really good. Not what I thought it would be, old, ancient, tired, whatever.
Well, I mean, it's kind of old. It's definitely, the mustard, not bueno.
Yeah, the mustard really is good. It's only good on
Yeah.
hot dogs. Anyhow,
do
I really think it's gonna be an easy flip. We'll bang this out in 3 weeks.
Or I was kind of thinking more like 5 days, bro.
Dude, 5 days?
Yeah, 5.
5 days?
5 days.
Why? Why do you do this?
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's gonna be fun. We can, if you really think about it, we're keeping the floor. We just got to paint, change out a couple things in the kitchen. We're done. 5 days.
5 days.
You concur?
I concur.
He concurs. So we dropped this house, dropped in on for like 160. We're gonna put about $20,000 into it, and with the area, everything selling around here, quick 220 on it, get it closed, and done.
Finito.
Done. Yeah, 5 days.
5 days.
No crazy.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. All right, we're not even 12 hours in, you already broke something. What the problem is?
I didn't break anything, bro, but we do have an issue.
You
Last
already
night,
moved this over?
Yeah, it's already moved over.
Okay.
Good thing is last night I did mark the lines, so you can actually kind of see the difference here. However, pulling out that old raggedy stove and to make room for a new
it was
one.
28 inches and we needed 30.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So this right here, you know, really not so noticeable. Maybe not that bad we can get away with.
So just shift the whole thing over.
Well, take a look on the outside.
That's what I'm saying. Is it off? Oh, shucks.
Yeah.
That's big. We'll just shift these two over. Oh crap. This is all one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is all one single piece. Because the original cabinets are actually all one piece, I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut out the center part so I can align the sides. And then I'm gonna take advantage and build out some new custom cabinets, put in a new gas stove and a microwave so that this wall right here can be our centerpiece of the kitchen. All right. So one of the great things about our remodels is generally we are right on track with all of our crews. They always show up.
Always on time, reliable. It's really kind of great. The one thing we can't count on though, Texas weather. Come on, Brid.
What'd you do over there?
Nothing. I haven't moved.
Anyways, nobody showed up today. Well, they did show up. They showed up, right?
They did show
They
up.
showed up. They couldn't do any of the, what all are they doing today? The granite?
Yeah, we have everybody
everything?
coming in. We got granite coming in. We've
Yeah.
got tile coming in right after that for the backsplash.
We have
We got quite a few people. We got flooring coming too.
no heat in this house right now. So
That's the problem.
the paint's not drying. That puts us a day behind. We have 72 hours finish and what is it, about a week and a half worth of work?
Yeah, cram into 72 hours.
This is a good idea.
Wonderful idea.
It's raining outside. Anyways, gas will be here soon, so we'll have this done.
That's definitely a plus.
Yeah, we'll have this done, ready to go, and it's gonna be a late night, but
Long night.
I'm excited.
Super
I'm
excited.
excited. I'm excited. It has actually been a long couple of days and even longer nights, but we're almost done, literally down to the wire. We've got to get small maintenance stuff done. We've got to get the cleaning people in there. We've got the office headed over there to help. Then the staging comes in, then the photos, all that. Yeah, we're down to the wire. And with less than 8 hours to go. We've already got showings scheduled for this afternoon or this evening. Yeah, fun. So here we go. Everybody's coming together. Let's do this.
After you, come on in. Wow.
Oh, wow. It really does look good. I cannot be more proud of you. Between the shiplap and the whitewash on the fireplace.
It really came out good, didn't it?
Nice job, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Nice
I really
job.
liked how it came out, especially the way that whitewash, the way the mantle pops.
Yeah, changing up the color on that, especially the non-mustard walls. Remember how ugly that was?
God.
Walking.
Oh,
it even
God.
changed how the floors look. The floors looked yellow before. Now they really just.
It brightened up the room. It really did its
Yeah.
job. I want to see this kitchen, man. How'd your kitchen come out?
Yeah. Honestly, I'm super proud of it. Like, if you remember, this whole thing was one piece.
Yeah.
They had an old all-in-one thing going on here.
Yeah.
We had to cut
Solid
the
piece up
countertops
top.
and everything. Yeah. So I was worried that when we had to shift these, but not bad.
Dude,
Not bad for my
I'm
first
really
time.
impressed. Really
Yeah.
impressed. That was a great job.
Putting the lights and everything in there really changed the whole thing. But
It's like a real vocal piece. I mean, that is
Yeah.
eye-catching.
how did your little project with the laundry room turn out?
Pretty happy with it. Come check it out.
Okay.
This laundry room really turned out great. Combination between that shiplap and that white hexagon tile really brought out the brightness. And the master bath, getting rid of that gold trim, new glass walk-in shower, upgraded faucets, came out awesome.
All in all, to be honest, I could not be happier with the house.
House came out phenomenal. It's amazing.
It looked great. We basically took a house in 5 days, flipped it completely, listed it for $220,000, got into a bidding war.
Ended up selling it for $236,000.
$236,000. We fought rain, snow in Texas, everything. So I'm tired.
Exhausted. We will never do another 5-day flip like this again.
Maybe.
No.
I'm not promising
No.
anything. But hey, on to the next one.